Iipit mo kasi ng bongga.
Eh, masakit eh.
Sa mga lalaki po na ubad, wag po kayo maliligo dyan, ha?
Bakit?
Baka may parting tumayo sa'yo, masakit yan.
Okay tayo ha! Ladies and gentlemen, live right here at La Virginia Resort. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Miss Regine Velasquez.
Bakit ba? Oh, gulat kayo, no? Gulat din ako ulit eh.
Hey, Hitachi!
Do you ever feel like a classic? You can feel the wind.
Ay, mas masaya kayo kaysa kahapon.
Do you ever feel just a bit of fear? Like a house of cards and we're from giving in. Do you ever feel already there it is? 6 feet on the screen but no one here can fit. Do you know that there's still a chance for you? And when it's time for you, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that's how you. Yeah.
Make it go on, as you shine across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Make it go on, as you shine across the sky. You don't have to feel like a racist guy. You're original.
Nakalimutan kayong lyrics. Basahin mo. Nandito ang lyrics. Nandito.
Maybe a reason why I'm not enough. You can open one and lead you to a perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow. And when it's time to know, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Gotta let it burn. Make it go on, as you see across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Tumbling ka, tumbling ka? Tumbling? That's good. Make it go on. You gotta live it on. Ataras, boom, boom, boom. You gotta live it on. Baby, you're a pop. Tumbling ka ulit. You run. Eh, kaya mo yan. Kaya. Baby, go. You gotta live it on. Boom, boom, boom. Everybody dance the boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
May sasabihin ko ako sa inyo lahat.
Ano yan?
Fuck you po.
May mga bata ko. May mga bata gumal.
At least gumalang, may po.
Sa bagay.
Okay, are you ready for the tribal dancers?
Okay, sige.
Mahina eh. Are you ready for the tribal dancers? Ladies and gentlemen, the Hall of Famer of Talentadong Pinoy TV5. Ladies and gentlemen, the tribal dancers.
Masaya ngayon.
Mas masaya ngayon.
Masaya ngayon. Alam mo kung bakit? Wala sila.
Ano? Ang saya dito. Dito na tayo manirahan. Wireless. Mama! Once again, applause for the tribal dancers!